Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I have a mic on for like the first time, like literally in the first time in 2 years. But here I am. Today we are probably just gonna be like riding. I don't know what else we're gonna do. This is like the OG park. But yeah, so let's go. Sorry if it's so wiggly for you guys. Oh shoot. I'll see if I could find some like stabilization for you guys, but jeez. But yeah, so sorry for if it's like super wiggly. But yeah, I'm gonna find some stabilization. So sorry for this cable being in the way, by the way, so sorry about that. Alright guys, so it turns out that my editing software does have a stabilization feature. So I guess I'm going to be using that today. I am on my scooter, and so, well, let's go. This thing is honestly so fun. Even if we're not even going fast at all. This thing is like so fun. I'm struggling to keep up. But yeah, so we're going. I don't know if we should go on the trail. Just so you know, guys, I will be getting dang it, like a head strap feature so that I can put my phone onto my head because I don't have a GoPro or DJI or anything. So, oh, this is like the closest park to us, and there's always like so many people and dogs over here. Oh my! Oh, that was so bumpy. I haven't tried standing up on my pigs yet because well they wouldn't. But yeah. I can't go in that bumpy part. Oh shoot! It's so bumpy. Oh frickin'! I'm sorry that you guys can't see right now. Oh my gosh. Jeez. But my my head strap will be arriving on Thursday, so yeah. We're probably just gonna do like a few loops around the park. Gonna try to keep it as stable as I can. Jeez. So, sorry guys if you could barely see. But yeah, this thing is really bumpy. I'll get like a head strap feature as I said, and like a wind cover for my mic that I'm using. It's like a $5 mic. I don't know how much it is, but yeah, let's just go ahead and keep riding. Sorry guys if it is like actually really wiggly, but I will have to buy CapCut Pro for this video, so please just watch the video and subscribe. Oh shoot! My scooter doesn't have suspension, so it's like very bumpy, and it has like this little seat as a bucket as a seat. So, oh my freaking gosh! These wheels are tough, by the way, guys, so it could take like a beating. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend you do this type of stuff Oh my gosh, jeez. You can't see my leg that much. Sorry if it is really comfy. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna stop right here. Jeez, this thing takes us so well. This is probably my third ride on it like this. But yeah, so honestly, I like this a lot. I used to record with like the stock camera settings, but I decided to change it to 60 frames per second 4K. So it now looks like this. You can see, here's my brother. Say hi, Ethan. Hi. But yeah, there's not really much people that I do see riding here. But yeah, this is like the first time I've ever seen other kids like over here. But yeah, I will get a head strap feature. This is probably going to be like a short video. And well, yeah. Jeez, bro, my butt hurts. Alright, guys. So we will be going outside of the park. Oh my gosh, I just hurt my butt so much. It's a rugged seat. So I'm thinking of like going to the store and just getting a pillow. Dang, bro, you can't see my leg when I'm turning. That's so sad. Oh my. This thing is like, I don't want to snap my pegs. I don't want to stand up too much. Sorry if there's like a lot of wind. But I'm getting like a new mic. Jeez, I wish my phone had like the stabilization feature. Oh my. I'm like trying so hard just to like hold my phone. This thing like hurts my legs, guys. Jeez. Woo. Oh my. Swerve. There's like a little jump over here. No, you guys can't see it. But it's like a little jump. Here, let me turn around. I'm gonna do U-turn. Alright, so you guys can't see. There's like a little jump over here. If you could see that. There we go. This looks like way better. Dang, bro. You guys can see like way more when you're not on there. But there we go. There's just like a little jump over here that me and my brother like to hit. Let me move so my brother can hit it. Oh. Alright. So my brother's gonna hit the jump. Once this man moves. My brother is over there. If you guys can't see him, he's gonna come all the way over here and hit that jump. Oh dang, that was fast. Dang. Alright, let's go, guys. Oh, no. Oh. Here we go, guys. So right now we are, oh my, on the move. Oh my gosh, I just hurt my butt so bad. I wanna like ride in the street. Although, but it's really scary on this thing. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I cracked my peg somehow. I honestly don't know how I did, but oh, there's a squirrel. On my way here, I saw a dead squirrel, so it's pretty sad. Alright, Ethan's coming with the combos. Oh. He's so. Alright, come on. Oh my god. Ethan! No! Ethan! 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 Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I gotta go meet him at the end, guys. That was actually like really, really scary. That hornet was massive. Trying to get off. Oh, you were? Okay, sorry. Guys, so that worked. So, let's continue riding. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, well, yeah, I saw that. My brother officially just found another one of these beetles. I don't think I've released a video on my channel with them yet. But now we're like starting to see giant beetles all over our park. Oh, this is like the biggest one we've seen. Here, hold on, move. It's like massive, man. See this size comparison? I don't think. Ooh. Oh, he's strong. Like, and spiky on his legs. I don't really want him to get. Oh, he's gonna bite me. Let's get a stick. A big stick. Alright, there we go. Found a big stick, guys. Gonna use this. It's gonna bite the end of it. Here, record it. Don't show my face. It's gonna bite the end of it. Come on, close. Okay, bro. He's not going on it. Makes me kind of mad. Trying to make him mad now. Come on, bro, bite it. Bite it, come on. I think just pick him up and put it in his ass. No, I'm just trying to get him to bite it. This one's like the strongest too. That was awesome. I don't know why, but they always like end up on the sidewalk. Come on. Bite, bro, just do it. Damn. He's actually pretty sharp. You say do it? No, I said dang. Okay, bro, just bite down. So this one like actually smart. Okay, bro, move. Ow! It actually hurts, that's the thing. See this? I'm trying to pick him up. Come on, bro, stay honest. Stay honest. I said it. Record it. Come on, get off. See, that's why you don't have any. Come on, get closer. There we go, bro. Come on, get into the... Okay, this one is like actually strong. Come on. Let's go, guys. We just saved this man. It's alive, crawling in the dirt. Look at that. Well, guys, let's hop back onto our bikes and we'll do this. So many people out here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, that was pretty fun. Ethan, record me doing this. Here, record me doing this. Oh my gosh, guys. That was yeah. That I'm so dizzy right now. Jeez. I'll see you in the next clip, guys. Please subscribe. Alright. We're back on the scooter. We may or may not have just done a burnout. But yeah, I had to record a couple. Well, I might have had not to. I didn't need to, but I still did. Alright, time to imitate a dirt bike. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Oh my freaking gosh. No way, guys. I'm just drunk. Ethan, wait, don't go in the brown stuff, please. No way, guys. Are y'all seeing this? What the? These are all ants. Do you guys see that? These are all ants. gosh, guys, I just blew on them. Look at that. They're all just like swarming my finger.
It's all over my hand.
Look at this. They're all over my hand. They're crawling everywhere, bro. It feels so weird. They're all over my hand right now. Oh, this feels so weird, guys. Alright, guys, there we go. Oh, my mic. My mic. Alright, guys, sorry. I left my mic in my pocket. And, well, I was playing with ants, so Ethan, let's go. Alright, guys, unfortunately, it's getting late, and I have to go home, so, well, please like and subscribe. I hope you guys like this video, and, bye-bye.